Unveiling the phrase, gild the lily. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, gild the lily. This idiom has a rich history and an intriguing meaning that can add flair to your English communication. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively. Gild the lily originates from William Shakespeare's play, King John, where the original line is, to gild refined gold, to paint the lily as wasteful and ridiculous excess. Over time, it has been shortened and slightly altered to the phrase we know today. The key idea here is doing something unnecessarily excessive or adding to something already perfect. The phrase, gild the lily, is used to describe an action where someone is adding or embellishing something already beautiful or perfect, and by doing so, they are not enhancing it but possibly detracting from its natural beauty. It's like painting a beautiful rose. The rose is already lovely, so painting it doesn't add to its beauty. 1. In decorating. Imagine a room beautifully decorated with minimalism in mind. Adding more decorations might gild the lily, making it cluttered. 2. In writing. A well-written essay can be gilded, with too many adjectives, making the writing seem overdone. 3. In fashion. Wearing too much jewelry with an elegant dress can be seen as gilding the lily. In critique. I think adding more graphics to the presentation would just gild the lily. In appreciation. Your garden is so gorgeous, any more flowers would just be gilding the lily. In advice. Your speech is perfect as it is. Don't gild the lily with extra anecdotes. Gild the lily is a timeless phrase that teaches us the beauty of simplicity and the risk of excess. Remember, sometimes less is more. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Happy learning and see you in the next video.